Hey guys, it's Brianna Lene. Welcome back to another video. As y'all can see, your girl is looking hurt. Capital H in hurt, okay? So we got dry, dusty, musty, rusty looking hair, okay? I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get a pop and wash and go. But first, I went ahead and washed and deep conditioned my hair, and you can see already clean hair coming through. Clean hair for the win. It's important to make sure that your hair is clean before styling so the products that you use can really show you what they're working with, okay? Clean hair is a must. And then I'm going to go ahead and just use my fingers to make my part that I so desire, so I can begin sectioning off my hair to begin working in sections to do this popping wash and go. So today's products that I'm going to be using, I'm gonna keep it in the Luster family. I'm gonna be using the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion, which will help to deeply penetrate my hair. It is lightweight and it's fast absorbing, which means I believe it's going to mix well with my next product, which is for Hold. Now this is the man of the hour. This is the Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. This will provide my hair with plenty of hold and long-lasting shine. It is flake resistant, so no white residue on me. It's formulated with certified organic olive oil, argan oil, and will help to fight against frizz. Now, I can already tell this is about to grip my curls, and I'm gonna have curls for the girls. So when I'm doing my wash and go, I really like to take my time to ensure that the product that I'm using is really hugging on my hair. So take your time. There's no rush when you're doing a wash and go. But one of the most important things that you'll need besides a balm product is to apply enough water to allow that product to saturate your hair evenly. So work in small sections, have your spray bottle nearby, and work that product in. So while I'm working this product in, you guys, do you see my curls? Now, one thing about me, I have like so many different curl textures or curl patterns throughout my hair. So like in the back, it'll be like really tight. When I get to the middle, maybe it's a little bit looser. I have waves. But you know what? I embrace all of that. What I love about this gel is that it's really helping to define my curls. It's not, trying to give me some other type of curl. It's perfecting what I have. So definitely embrace the curls that you have. Let me know down below in the comments, do you like wash and goes? Yes or no? Let me know the reason for your answer down below in the comments. So as you can see, my hair has a lot of shine from using the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion and then following up with the Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. You can see that they both work great together, but the way that my curls are popping, you can tell that I'm going to have great hold once my hair dries. This gel also would be perfect for your slick backs or any puffs, just to help lay down your edges too. This gel is definitely versatile and you can use it a variety of ways to style your hair. So I'm just going to continue on with my hair and I'm going to repeat the same steps until my whole head is complete. So now that all of my hair is dead, I'm going to go ahead and sit under a hooded dryer to allow the product to set in my hair, because when you sit under a hooded dryer, your results definitely pop different from when you air dry. Okay, so I sit under the hooded dryer until my hair is completely dry, about 30 minutes And y'all, these are my end results. I love how my hair looks. I love how it feels. And you know what? The shrinkage is real, but the curls are velour, okay? I love how full my hair looks. I love how defined my curls are. My hair feels good. It looks good. And so if you're interested in the products that I use today, you can find them exclusively on Luster's Pink website. And I'll put all of that in the description. Let me know what you think of this style. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.